kids! It's so great to see you! Get ready to have some fun as we learn and play right here in the studio. Hi, friends! Welcome to my playroom! This is the color red. Can you find the blue block?
Most people still don't know that Canva can create cartoons like this. And the best part? You can even create a full animated video using just a prompt. Add a voiceover and make everything directly inside Canva. Open Canva and click on the Canva AI option. You'll see this interface with 5 different options. Simply click on Video Clip and adjust these settings according to your needs. After selecting Video Clip, you can customize additional settings like AI quality, style, mood, aspect ratio, and audio. Now enter or paste your prompt here. Then click the Submit button. Canva AI will now process your prompt and start creating your video. Once your video clip is ready, click on Edit. Click here to download, or click on it for Edit. To customize it further, you can modify the clip, add more elements or logos. Click here to preview the final result. Canva creates a ready-to-use video with audio and background music included. Now, click on Share to download your video, or share it directly on any of these platforms. Repeat the same process for the remaining clips until your full story is complete. Write or paste the prompt for the next clip to continue your story. Once submitted, Canva AI starts generating your video clip. Here is your finished video, fully ready to use. Click here to edit or download your video.
This is the color red. Can you find the blue block?
If you're satisfied with the result, go to Share, download the video, and use it in your story.